welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week. So today I have another Halloween tutorial for you guys, and this one is also inspired by Mimmels on Instagram. I absolutely love her work and I definitely wanted to create this like cake face makeup illusion that she had posted like a while back. I was absolutely obsessed. I'm like 90%, 95% happy with how this turned out, so I'm pretty stoked with that. So it looks like I'm made of cake and I've just like taken a cake slice out of my face, and I'm absolutely loving creating Halloween tutorials for you guys, especially this illusion makeup. I think it's so cool and so unique. So I'm collaborating with my friend Hazel Hart here on YouTube as well as on Instagram. I will leave her Instagram link down below and her YouTube channel down below. She has also recreated a look from Mimmels. Hazel Hart is such a talented artist. I absolutely love her work. Go and check out her Instagram. You won't be disappointed. Like, she is so talented. So when she asked me if I wanted to do a collab, I was so happy, and of course I said yes, and I want you guys to see her work because I think it is amazing. So definitely go and subscribe to her channel and boost up her subscribers a little bit. Anyway, I hope you guys like this tutorial, and if you do, then give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me, as I say in like every video, but it actually does, and I love your support, and I love you know, your comments, and I always like reply back to all you guys, and yeah, it's just amazing. I love the little community that we are growing to be. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to know how to get this cake face tutorial, then just keep on watching. So for starters, I have a little picture of a cake, and I printed this off from Google, and then I just cut it out, and I also put latex on like in little dots and stuck on real hundreds and thousands. I don't know if you can see that. There was some pictures of some sprinkles already, and I just like went over this area with like white eyeliner and also some like brown lip liner, and I just kind of smudged it in to lighten up the cake area a little bit. So this is the cake that we're dealing with. It was much faster to edit last week's video when I did a talk through, and I did have a few comments from you guys saying that it was really in depth and they really like how I explained everything. So yeah, I thought I wouldn't do a voiceover for this video and I'll just do a talk through again because you guys seem to like it. So yeah. So you just want to do your makeup how you want to do it. You could wear red lips like she is in the photo, but I thought I'd do nude lips with gloss so I can like stick the sprinkles on. So anyway, first I'm taking my L'Oreal Paradise Kajal Extatic Eyeliner. I've been using this quite a lot lately for my looks. It is just such a super big eyeliner, so handy. I'm going to start by drawing an outline of where the cake slice will be. So now I'm just going to make a thick line on the side of the face. Okay, so next I'm taking my Thin Lizzy Perfect Wing Eyeliner, and this is a stamp and eyeliner at the same time. I absolutely love this. I've been using it for my Halloween tutorials lately, and it is just so handy. Like I explained in the last video, you can like do a constant line without having to dip it into a liquid eyeliner tube, and it's just a really pigmented great eyeliner. And you can use the code Alyshia30 for 30% off site-wide on the Thin Lizzy website, so definitely go and check out Thin Lizzy. I will leave the code and the website down below. They have such amazing products and you get 30% off if you use that code, so definitely go and check it out. So what we are going to do is we are going to draw a black line on this side down and that side across. So now what I'm going to do is take my NYX Primal Colors eyeshadow in Hot Black, and I'm going to take this small Sigma brush and I'm just going to blend in that black line a little bit. So next I'm going to take the NYX Cosmetics Vivid Brights Vivid Fire Eyeliner. And I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see what I'm doing better. I'm just going to put this down one side of the face. So next I'm taking the L'Oreal Superliner 24-hour waterproof gel eyeliner, and I'm going to create shadows. This is where the 3D effect will start to take place. And I'm just going to outline this little white bit just a little bit like this to make it look like a shadow. So next I'm taking the Thin Lizzy Duo Eye Pencil. This is really cool because it's got a black eyeliner on one side and a brown on the other side, and you can also use the brown as a brow pencil, and you've also got a sharpener on the end. So I'm going to be using the brown side today. And remember, you can use that code Alyshia30 for 30% off. I absolutely love their products. I always have, like, ever since I was like 13 years old. And I'm going to start blending this dark brown in. Okay, so after you do that, the next step is taking a lighter brown colour. So I'm going to take my LA Girl Perfect Precision Lip Liner in the shade Cafe. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner. I mean on the highlight area of the cake. Ooh, cakes have highlights now. So now I'm going to take my L'Oreal eyeliner again, and I'm going to do slight lines throughout the cake. And if you do it a bit too bright, you can easily just grab your finger and blend in the white. What I'm going to do is take a darker liquid liner, so I'm taking the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and I'm going to line this down the edge because this is slightly darker than that Thin Lizzy eyeliner, and it's just going to create a really sharp edge. Now I'm taking my NYX Cosmetics Hot Singles eyeshadow in Whipped Cream, and I'm going to take a little small brush and add a little bit of a highlight down the side. It's all about adding like highlights and shadows to make this look really 3D. So now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of white liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm going to put this down where the red is, but only like really slightly. So now I'm taking a little bit of white eyeliner, and I'm going to do a little bit of speckled dots like around the white just to make it look like it's a crumbly cake. Okay, now the last part is adding the hundreds and thousands. Now this part will make it look much cooler. So now I'm going to add on the hundreds and thousands. Without the hundreds and thousands, your look won't be great. So I'm going to add it on now. Try not to eat them in the process. Okay, so to stick them on the rest of the face, I'm taking my NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer. I don't want these ones to come off. So I'm going to just take a flat brush like this. This one is from L'Oreal Paris. Some don't stick on with the glitter primer. You can use liquid latex and a curved skewer and just dot them on. So I hope you guys like this finished makeup look. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below what you want to see next on my channel for Halloween. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you guys have a fantastic week, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!